On this short quick video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending videos. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps, now scroll until you find the Messenger. Click on Messenger and then click on Force Stop. And then click on Storage. Click on Clear Data and after that go back again. Now click on Data Usage here. When you click on Data Usage, make sure to disable the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data only. Exactly like this. Go back and now all what you want to do is go to the settings. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 30 seconds or 20 seconds and after that disable it, and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.